Hi, I'm Danny Lipford.
And I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf.
Thanks for watching this episode of Today's Homeowner here on YouTube. And don't forget to leave us a like and a comment.
And be sure to share with a friend, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified of new videos.
Thanks and enjoy the show.
This week on Today's Homeowner, we're generating some curb appeal on a budget. With a little hard work and a little bit of cash, we're making a big difference in this little house. You'll have to stick around to see it.
You better get to work.
This home belongs to Mary Lee Montgomery. She's been here for 13 years and she loves the place, but from the street, it isn't looking so loved. So our challenge this week is to give it a little budget curb appeal. What were some of the things that you've thought about over the years?
Oh, just sprucing things up, making things brighter. It's all just gotten kind of dull.
Well, it's hard to keep it clean, I would imagine, with all of these oak trees hanging over. That's an easy fix to pressure wash everything out front here. That'll make a difference. And what about some of the landscaping here? You know, this isn't unusual for border grass or monkey grass just to go crazy.
Yeah.
What about taking a good bit of that up? You know, leaving a nice uniform border along the edge, and then maybe, I don't know, using the rest of that somewhere else.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
A little paint here wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, I guess so.
You think going back with a gloss black?
Yeah, I think that'd look really nice.
What about the front door? You know, it's always the statement of a house, and of course a black door like that's pretty popular. What do you think on that?
I really want to brighten that up. Every year I put a Christmas wreath on there and you can never see it.
Oh, it
just
disappears.
Fades to black, literally. So I was thinking of a nice, bright, happy color.
All right, good. And of course we can trim you know, all of that. That's gonna make a big difference right there. I wondered, when I walked up to the house, I wondered, do you have many people come into the front door?
No, not really. It's just not inviting.
Yeah.
You know, so.
There's several different ways to go, like stepping stones.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
We'll define it. It's not a very long area, so maybe we can look at that. But another thing I wondered about is, of course, you got these beautiful oak trees out here, and in terms of being able to do something with this oak tree, it seems like it would look pretty neat. And I'm not a landscaper or anything, but to remove all of this and then get a nice uniform border around it.
Perfect.
Is this sounding pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
And I know you're trying to work this out. You mentioned $400 or $500 to try to do it. To tell you the truth, I don't know, we'll have to total it up, but a lot of the things we're talking about here are things that really don't cost a lot of money. It's very little materials, a little sweat equity here. So we'll have a little bit of that to do. But I think in a couple days, we can have all of it done if the weather will leave us alone. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll call Alan at the office, see if he can get the pressure washer and a couple things and get on out here and we'll go to work on it.
Excellent.
Okay, all right, let me see if I can catch him. Alan. So while Alan is rounding up some tools, Mary Lee and I start with some of the small stuff before we begin to thin out and divide this border grass that's gone crazy. No matter how much you cut back, it's gonna end up growing back really soon.
Really?
Yes, it grows and grows and grows.
Oh, good.
Because you can't really get the roots out of there hardly.
Because this is kind of hurting my heart seeing you chop
Don't worry
at
about
it.
that, you'll never miss it.
Okay.
There really is nothing to worry about here because this stuff is hardy and it'll grow back quickly. Hey, there's Alan right here. Let me introduce you to him here.
Oh, okay.
All right, glad you can make it.
Hey.
Alan, want you to meet Mary Lee.
Hey, Millie.
Hey.
Love your house.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
it's gonna be perfect. A little bit of cleanup here and there.
Yeah. Well, I got
Yeah.
everything you said. I understand you're sticking me with the pressure washer.
Yeah, you'd be good at the pressure washer. You know, we have some other things we
I
need to
understand.
do. So
I got just the smaller
oh, that's perfect.
pressure washer.
Yeah, what is that? What, 1,200?
About 1,200 psi.
Yeah, that's plenty. That's plenty.
All right.
All right, we can get started on this thing.
Sounds good.
When you're cleaning a house, you want to start at the top and work down like Alan is doing here.
Look at that.
Meanwhile, Mary Lee and I are working from the ground up. Now, see, that would make, I've seen something like that where they nail it on the wall.
Yeah.
Here, let's see what it looks like.
Okay.
There you go.
There you go, yeah.
Better than shutters.
Gee whiz, it smells bad.
Once Alan has passed the awning, he fires up the pressure washer to really speed up this cleaning process. All right, how's that working out?
Oh, yes.
Man, it's cutting it well on the brick.
Oh yeah, it's really good on the brick, and even here you can see where I just stopped right here. Now I'm hitting a real snag with this canvas.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Today's Homeowner. And don't forget to comment, like, and hit the bell icon so that we can notify you when new videos are posted.
And don't go anywhere, click around, and continue the home improving fun.